First of all, it is essential that you are close to the appliance. Make sure you have your smartphone with Bluetooth enabled and connected to the home Wi-Fi network to which you want to associate the product. Check that the signal is strong and stable via the Wi-Fi icon on the smartphone display and that the network is configured to 2.4 GHz. Check the router settings, and if you do not know how to change the router's Wi-Fi frequency, contact your internet provider. Keep the network password with you. A maximum of 32 characters are allowed. And remember that it must be a private network. Well, now you're ready to go. Open the hOn app and create a user profile. Then select Add Appliance and follow the instructions in the app. When prompted, enter your home Wi-Fi network password and accept location permissions. If there are any problems, the app will give you directions on how to proceed. Select the appliance you wish to associate. When prompted, open the appliance door and frame the QR code as indicated by the app. You will have to consent to the use of the camera. If something goes wrong, you can always enter the serial number manually. If the code is still not recognized, please check the manual to ensure that you have downloaded the correct app before contacting support. Close the appliance door again. Follow the instructions in the app to set the product to configuration mode. For safety reasons, you have 5 or 10 minutes depending on the product. Then you have to start again. Entering the purchase date is optional. You can skip that step without any problems. Wait a few seconds, and voila, you're done. If for some reason the procedure fails, you can try exiting, closing the app and unplugging the product for a minute. Then reopen the app and check whether the appliance appears on the home page. In that case, everything is okay. If you don't see it, repeat the whole procedure from the beginning. Now that you have concluded, bear in mind, to control your smart appliance with the app, you must first close the door and then turn the knob to Wi-Fi, not the other way around. If you want to control your appliance from the other mobile phones, you can log in using the same credentials, email and password on all devices. You do not have to make a new association or create new profiles. It was easy to pair the product with hOn app.